this bitch, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm 3 high for these hoes, oh. Sitting in this bitch like, what? Hold on, can I go? I'm too high for this bitch, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm 3 high for these hoes, oh. Sitting in this bitch like, what? Hold on, can I go? Last night was fucking crazy. 100 bottles, 100 babies. Everybody here fucked up. I don't know if I'ma make it. Went home with the side piece, but now it's the next day. Getting breakfast with my main chick, but she won't stop questioning. Still fucked up from last night. Too early for this bullshit, and my mind ain't acting right, and she's still acting toxic. I'm too high for this bitch, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm 3 high for these hoes, oh. Sitting in this bitch like, what? Hold on, can I go? I'm too high for this bitch, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm 3 high for these hoes, oh. Sitting in this bitch like, what? Hold on, can I go?
High as fuck and it's a Monday. Stuck up in this classroom, and the teacher's passing out the test. Didn't start feeling like a fool, and my eyes are stained blood red. Everybody probably noticing. I don't even know if I can think, cause my brain's not functioning. Plus this cute shot is stood up. Ass fatter than Kim K's. Next thing I know, the bell rang, and I didn't write a damn thing.
I'm too high for this bitch, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm 3 high for these hoes, oh. Sitting in this bitch like, what? Hold on, can I go? I'm too high for this bitch, yeah,